Here's a script that meets your requirements. Hey there, are you ready for an exciting discovery? I'm here to tell you about the amazing DREAME Matrix10 Ultra robot. This incredible machine is changing the game when it comes to cleaning our homes, and I just can't wait to share all its awesome features with you. First off, let's talk about the Multi-Mop switching dock and 3-solution compartment. Now, you might be wondering what that means. In simple terms, this dock allows you to switch between different mops effortlessly, ensuring no cross-contamination and giving you a deeper clean. It's like having multiple cleaning tools at your fingertips. And with 3 different liquid solutions, you can tackle any floor type, hardwood, tile, or carpet with ease. But wait, there's more. The Matrix10 Ultra is also equipped with clear obstacles technology. Imagine navigating around steps up to 3.15 inches high, balcony rails, and various surfaces without any issues. That's what this feature does for you. With dual retractable legs, a swing arm motor, and adaptive wheel control, this robot can conquer even the toughest obstacles. Now, I know some of you might be thinking, what about those pesky objects that get in my way? Don't worry, the Matrix10 Ultra has got your back, or rather your floor. Its smart OmniSight tech blends VersaLift navigation with smart 3D adapt obstacle avoidance systems. That's fancy talk for, it uses LED lighting to map its surroundings and make real-time adjustments. But trust me, it works like a charm. The suction power of this robot is another standout feature. With an impressive 30,000 pascals Vormax suction, it can handle everything from dry debris to hair tangles on carpets and hard floors alike. And with the Hyperstream Detangling Duo Brush, you'll be saying goodbye to pesky tangles in no time. But what really gets me excited is the all-in-one power dock that does it all for you. No more manual maintenance. This feature automates mop switching, drying, and water refilling, while the 212 degrees Fahrenheit ThermoHub self-cleaning system keeps your mop pads clean and odor-free. It's like having a personal cleaning butler. And let's not forget about carpet cleaning. The Matrix10 Ultra is smart enough to detect carpets and adjust its suction power for an extra kick, all without damaging your rugs or carpets. Plus, it lifts mop pads so they don't get damp. But what really sets this robot apart is its pet care features. If you're a pet owner, you know how frustrating it can be dealing with pet fur everywhere. The Matrix10 Ultra's got you covered. It automatically detects pets and adjusts to a suction power that won't damage your carpets or rugs. And when your furry friend comes back from an outdoor adventure on a rainy day, the robot takes care of the mess for you. Last but not least, let's talk about connectivity. The Matrix10 Ultra only supports 2.4G Wi-Fi, which means it might not be compatible with newer devices, but that shouldn't hold you back. In conclusion, the DREAME Matrix10 Ultra robot is an absolute game-changer when it comes to cleaning your home. With its incredible features and sleek design, it's no wonder this robot has earned a 4-star rating from over 36 reviewers. If you're ready to experience the thrill of effortless cleaning, check out the link below for the best price and get ready to transform your home. Insert link.